mountains touched the sky. A hero rose with a fire in his eye. The world trembled, but he didn't fear, for the path of legend was crystal clear. Born of the storm, forged in the flame, his name was whispered, never the same. A force of nature, spirit untamed, destiny called and he answered unashamed. Through trials and shadows he carved his way. With strength and heart he never swayed. The gods themselves bowed at his feet as he faced the impossible, never facing defeat. He is the legend, one who defied, the hero who rose to reach for the sky. With every step the earth did shake, a story of glory that time can erase. Across the seas, through fire and snow, no force could stop him, no mountain too low. He battled the beasts, the storms and the night. With each victory he grew in might. He never faltered, he never turned back. A legend in motion, no soul he'd lack. The heavens themselves could not contain the hero's power who rose from the pain. Now his name echoes far and wide, a legend eternal, no longer